Hi everyone, I'm super excited to introduce a new course in Sewing with Cinnamon. This one is working with coordinating print fabrics in our sewing projects. Sherry and I are going to tag team this 4-part series. We're going to talk about different types of prints, different ways in which we can mix color theory into our design ideas, bringing colors together, contrasting, or some that are in the same color family. We're going to use some project examples, patterns published at Pixie Faire, to walk through the design process, the choices made when we're looking at different fabrics and how we bring them together for a cohesive look with our project. So I'm super excited. We actually have a full collection of fabrics coming from Tilda Fabrics out of the UK, 32 different coordinating fabrics that will all be here. They're en route. We've been waiting. We're so excited. I can't wait to introduce this collection to you. We're going to work through different ways in which we bring these prints and different types of colors together. It's going to be so much fun. I'm super excited and I invite you to join us for this course.